in Land Rover Defender Octa, getting prepared for racing. Land Rover is stepping into the world of competitive off-road racing with the Defender Octa, a twin-turbocharged powerhouse set to take on the grueling Dakar Rally and the Fédération Internationale de l'Automobile World Rally Raid Championship starting in the year 2026. Packing an impressive 626 horsepower, the Defender Octa is already a high-performance machine. However, whether it has what it takes to clinch victories on some of the toughest terrains on the planet remains to be seen. Land Rover is determined to prove its capability by entering the competition with vehicles that are mostly unchanged from their production counterparts. According to Land Rover, new regulations coming in the year 2026 for the stock production-based category will level the playing field, making the competition even more intense. The race-ready Defender Octa will retain its production engine, transmission, and drivetrain, showcasing its genuine off-road prowess. Additionally, the body design will remain true to the production model, ensuring the vehicle looks and performs like the one consumers can buy. James Barclay, Managing Director of Jaguar Land Rover Motorsport, expressed his enthusiasm for the challenge, stating, "Having the Defender participate in Dakar is an incredibly exciting opportunity. We had a vision for the future of production-based vehicles in rally raid competitions, and working with the Amaury sport organization, the Fédération Internationale de l'Automobile, and other manufacturers to shape the new regulations has been very rewarding. Now, we have the ideal platform to demonstrate the Defender's capabilities in the ultimate off-road challenge." Under the hood, the Defender Octa is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine equipped with a mild hybrid system. It generates a peak torque of 590 pound-feet and can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds when conditions allow. The power is distributed to all four wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. While the production model already offers formidable off-road capabilities, the racing version features a stronger chassis, a wider stance by 2.7 inches, and a 1.1-inch increase in ride height. Although the stock category permits suspension modifications, Land Rover has not specified what changes will be made. Land Rover will enter 2 vehicles in the World Rally Raid Championship and expand to 3 for the Dakar Rally. Development is currently in progress, with a full reveal planned for late 2025.